cinnamon candies too.
Look at Mama.
Stamps, yeah.
I got stamps.
Okay, there's other stuff in your stocking.
Look, I got this.
Aww.
Oh my goodness.
Chocolate. Yummy. So good.
What is that, Sarah?
That little paperweight with an elephant on it.
Oh.
Don't open the chocolate. Okay.
It's already been ripped open.
Here.
Is your paper in there?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Here you go, baby. Okay, now from now on, Mommy has to get
Look
those
at
out of there.
Mama.
Wow, stickers.
Hey, I got stickers.
This is a sticker album, so you can put all of your stickers in here.
So you'll have them. You'll have them forever.
Ariel.
Let's see what else is in your stockings.
What you got on there, Fiona?
Stickers.
Well, who's on there?
Ariel. For what? No way. Snow it.
Bracelets. Oh my.
Ooh.
Hey, open this.
Well, let's look and see what else we got first.
Candy.
What else is in here?
Private.
There's lots of stuff in that
I
stocking.
got a lot of pennies in my stocking.
Yep. I think there's more.